This is the Rossi Brawler 300 Blackout. 16-inch barrel. It's got a Sig Sauer tube of 12 by 44 Tango 2 scope on it. It's got the Enticer 2 can. And I'm shooting, see if you can see this, Winchester 300 Blackout 200 grain. And I've got a water bottle, and it's just 50 yards down range. We'll zoom in on it. It's going to be the one on the right. It's the smaller, that's the one you see right there. Okay, that wasn't too bad. I like the sound of that. Let me pause it and bring another rifle out. Okay, this is my 338 ARC. It's got a 624 by 50 arcing Gen. I think it's Gen 4. But anyway, it's arcing. It's got a 10.5-inch barrel. It's got the same can, and it's a pistol. And we're gonna pause, and then we're gonna go back out to the bottle. Now this one's shooting a Hornady subsonic 307 grain. So it's sighted in at 90 yards. So I don't know what the hold over or anything is, or hold under. So we'll see what it is at 50 yards. Here we go. Now I could hear the firing pin. I could hear the hammer on the other one. And more than I could the actual shot. Anyway, guys, that's enough for now.